All right, what's up, y'all? Long time no see. I hope everybody is doing good. What's up, YouTube world? I am back. Don't mind the construction going on behind me. I got lots going on here. Never disappeared, guys. I've been busy building a really strong team of traders, very small team, building an incredible education library in Orderflow. About 1,500 hours deep now on the website. Links below. I'll talk about it towards the end. But if you're struggling with understanding how the market really moves, understanding how to hold your trades, understanding key levels, understanding how to really embrace structure, and understand how the market really moves, right? If you're sick and tired of taking your NQ trade for 5 points or 10 points, I can show you how to hold it for 40, how to hold it for 60, 80 points, because I understand how the market moves. ES, I'm primarily an ES trader, but I do trade both. I can show you how to take your ES trade 10 points, 15 points. I can show you how to capture that move, and I can show you exactly where to get in based on the order flow because a lot of people got order flow twisted. Okay. What is order flow? It's very simple. Order flow is the flow of the orders. I have it playing right here. I am primarily a footprint trader, right? And I'll talk about this a little bit. Let me just kind of slow this down. We're kind of replaying the day here, some random day. I just wanted to play them while I was talking to you guys here. So we'll see our charts. Banger. Love see our charts. Um, yeah, so what is the order flow? Order flow is literally the flow of the orders. Okay. I am a master of the footprint chart. I understand everything that goes on within the market structure now, right? There's nothing that surprises me anymore. I understand how they do everything from stop runs to accumulation, distribution to short traps, the pattern that the order flow makes when they're about to lift the offer. I understand, exactly when the strong buying or strong selling occurs. Um, the inability to print, the importance of acceptance, and how to pull out those key levels every single day you're trading. So when the bell goes, when the day is over, you should already know, okay, the bulls need to do this, the bear needs to do that. Okay. There's a story every single day of control. Okay. There is. I don't care what anyone says. I call the top and bottom of the S&P 500 almost every single day, 12 hours before the day even opens, right? Unless something freakishly happens during Globex. It's all very obvious. The Bulls have an agenda and the Bears have an agenda to certain key levels that they need to get price under. It's all based off order flow and structure. Okay. And a little bit of magic that I won't really speak into. I'll speak on it very briefly is that I use order flow to confirm my levels. My levels are based off an understanding of fractal mathematics. So when people say the market moves on moving averages or it moves on patterns, right? It moves on blah, 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 right? Oh, RSI indicator. It's all BS, guys. It's all BS. I'll tell you how the market moves very quickly. Okay. Generally, the market moves on fractal grids. Okay. The lower you go down in time, the smaller those levels are apart from each other. The larger you go up in time, the bigger those levels become away from each other. But everything moves within a fractal grid of levels. Now, those levels indicate what will happen with price. Every area has overbought, oversold. We move to another frame of levels, and everything just continues to move within these grids of levels. Okay. I understand it. I understand it really, really well. I will not teach you that because I don't want to teach you that. But what I will teach you, that's my true edge. But what I will teach you is how to observe this, what you're seeing on your screen, because this tells the story, right? It will enable you to find your own levels and be comfortable in the trade. Be like, oh, well, they couldn't print under this, so we're going to rotate back up to here. Okay, where's the bid? Oh, they're unable to print over here, so we're most likely going to rotate back up to here. And you'll ditch that 1 minute chart. You'll ditch that 3 minute chart, 5 minute chart, right? I trade the 30. right? Why do I trade the 30? Because decisions are made every 30 minutes in the market. Okay. So I don't trade patterns, I trade sessions. Okay. You'll talk to any real kind of more professional trader, they'll tell you the same thing. That they'll trade sessions. They understand A period, B period, C period, D period. And it's all about acceptance, right? And what the order flow is doing at that time, right? Are we trading above this level or below this level? Okay, if we're trading above this level, we'll rotate up to this level. Okay, we'll go long or short here in the next period when it closes. That's how the market moves, man. It moves within a fractal grid of levels. Anyone that's telling you different is full of crap. Okay. They're full of crap. And that might make a lot of people mad because you're trading this 5 minute breakout, bull flag, bear flag, inverted HMB triangle setup. Guys, it's all noise. It's all noise. Okay. I'm telling you right now, it's all noise. You have to understand the market structure. The order flow can very much help you with that, right? The fractal side of things, I'm not going to touch, right? For that's for me to understand. But I will teach you how to read the tape like this and then become absolute ninjas in your understanding of any market. Doesn't matter. It could be a $2 shit cap all the way up to NQ. Big caps, small caps, stocks, futures, bonds. You trade bonds, ZB, ZN, gold, oil, right? We trade them all the same. Nothing's different. It's all about the tape, right? So why the footprint? I'll tell you why. Okay. At the end of the day, with all the spoofing, with all the order pulling, adding liquidity, all this stuff, what has to happen? What has to happen? They have to, at the end of the day, what do they have to do? They have to transact. Okay. They have to transact. So you can pull all the orders you want, spoof, do this, rotate here. But at the end of the day, the big dogs got to buy and sell. And it's how they buy and sell, which is what I want to see here. I want to see who's got skin in the game. Level two is stupid. Why? Because they can pull orders, add orders, spoof orders. Why would you ever want to make a decision based on things that can be just pulled away from you and lied and then added to the other side to take you for take your stop, right? Why? It's silly, but that's all retail knows. But what I'm telling you is there's a whole other world out there where you can really understand what's going on in the market. You never want to base your decision on something that can be faked. Okay. Transactive volume is not fake. It's the guys who have skin in the game. Okay. Bids are defended. Offers are defended every day. You have to know where the bid and offer is. All right. I'll teach you that. I'll teach you rotation. I'll teach you really key levels of acceptance. I'll teach you how to understand what a stop run is. I'll teach you how to understand what a backfill on a stop run is. I'll teach you how they trap shorts, right? It's the same every single time. The order flow has a pattern every single day. They do the same things every day. Why? Because they have to transact at the end of the day. So if they need their fills down low, we're going to rotate price lower, go up, go down, more fill, more fill, more fill until when? There's no more inventory left to fill. And then market and price has to rotate back up. How do you know that if you're looking at a chart pattern? How are you going to know those signals? That's why order flow traders are the quickest. And because we get that signal the second that prints. Okay. So what you're seeing here is every single contract that's been printed. Right? Right. And what's this? This is a free indicator for everybody that wants to come in the room if you use Sierra Church. This is something that we've custom coded. This is something we've custom coded. It's our Delta tool. So I watch the Delta as the footprint populates. It's one of my main ways to read the tape, right? It's one of my main ways to read the tape, right? And we also have a volume multiplier study that's free as well that enables you to change the tick setting on your footprint, right? So, you're going to want to run like a 15 mult on the NQ. I run like a 4 to 5 mult on the ES. But this delta study enables me to look at a diagonal delta and a side-by-side delta, right? And then the prints and the imbalances just jump out at me, and it's very easy to see where they get positioned, where the stops are, how they're rotating price. How are you going to do that with a chart? When you're looking at a 1 minute chart, you're lost. You're lost in the fog, right? Waiting for 5 moving averages to cross, you know what I mean, spaghetti strings on your chart. Trust me, your trading can be much, 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 much more simpler. I promise you it can. But you won't understand it unless you're willing to zoom out a little bit and look at the actual order flow. The order flow will have a structure on the day. It will tell you exactly what's going on. But a lot of traders just get lost in the fog that they're looking for by this 1 minute candle pullback, and they don't understand the big picture, right? The only way to get ahead in trading is to understand the big picture. It's so important. Okay. So for me, when I go to bed at night, well, I should say, as soon as the cash session closes, I already know the 2 to 3 main levels next day for each auction that I'm watching, right? Okay, the bulls need to do this, the bears need to do that. If both sides are unable to gain control of a level, then that means we're going to stay within a balanced session, right? Usually by 10:30, right? Um, I know if we close above or below a key level, I know not to fade that move at all, right? And I'll just keep joining and I'll hold on, right? Like I said with NQ, I'll show you how to hold on for 20, 30, 40 points, 60 points, 80 points, right? We had a nice 80-point move. That's not out of the realm of normality in our room. It's very, very easy. ES 10 points is a normal trade for us, right? 10 to 15 points, 10 points easy, no problem, right? Because we know where to get in and we understand the main levels of context for the day. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come on here and say hello. I'm back. I've been really, really busy building. Link below. Click on it. Come and learn the tape, right? You get me in half an hour before the market opens live on the mic. You get my screens are streamed to you. You get me for the entire first hour of the day on the mic. You get an incredible trade plan watch list that you can watch these actionable main levels in play. And then you get access to a massive video library that's about 1,500 hours deep now, well over 1,000 hours deep, right? We've been going for 3+ years almost privately. And it just makes I'm at the point now where I'm like, I feel bad for people that are being led in a direction to look at a market a certain way because I know that's not how the market moves, right? So the best thing I can do is say, hey, if you want to learn, you're going to work hard. But if you want to come and learn, I'll show you how to read this properly, right? I'll show you how to understand the flow state of the market and understand acceptance and how you can zoom out, say on a 30-minute chart, because you won't be trading chart patterns anymore. You're going to be trading sessions. Okay, that's the big thing. You're going to be trading sessions. So you're going to wait. A lot of times you're going to wait 2-3 hours for an entry and you'll learn not to care because you know the price is going to come back to this level. And if you do, you'll join us and you'll start seeing an 85% win rate, right? Hitting a 2 and 3R on your return. You're only going to take, maybe a trade a day, right? Max 2, right? But in our world, we only want one opportunity, right? And when it sets up perfectly, we just take our swing and we let the law of averages work itself out here. So again, guys, this is Orderflow, right? I wanted to come on here real quick, show you what I've been up to. This is just the tip of the iceberg, man. There's so much more that I get into regarding this, but if I can help some people ditch the stupid chart patterns and the stupid indicators and the stupid moving averages and all this retail crap, I can really help simplify your life and your trading to help you hold on to your winners. And I think that's the biggest thing is I can show you how to get 3, 4R every single day if you just wait. And it's going to take some work. It's going to take some patience. It's going to take some studying, which is hard work. But if you're willing to put in the work, I can show you everything you need to know about the tape. Okay. I really can, but you got to be willing to work. So, um, channel is back. I'm back. Don't mind the construction behind me here, man. I'm busy in this new little office I'm building out here, but I just wanted to jump on and say hello. I didn't disappear. I've just been busy privately with a real small team of traders developing this entire thing here. So come and join us, man. Come and work. Come and learn. All right. The link is in the description below. I'll see you guys in there. Ciao for now.